So guys, right now, many people they kind of disappointed, like highly disappointed on our veteran Nollywood actor, what they call Mr. Ibu, based on waiting speculates the internet site. He never reached 24 hours. They can't talk and say they no expect person or people like Mr. Ibu to come out, come betray many Nigerians. Like waiting in short, they happen. Why it can't be like say all this our Nigerian celebrity these days, it can't dey obvious say na just money the day after. They no care about their fan at all. As all these things they happen, Mr. Ibu himself can't get to come out, can't just explain waiting the sup. Anyway, my correct people, now welcome back to our channel at Maggie Rooks Vlogs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and locations. Thank you so much for tuning in. So my people, I don't come again with this latest about Naija celeb. Right now, I get two interesting videos wey be say I go like me to come out put, because since yesterday for yes, so just do what they talk the matter they come. Many people they know they happy with this our popular Nollywood actor where they call Mr. Ibu. According to the gist, the right hand say they say Nollywood actors express support for Tinubu presidency. Nollywood practitioners throw heavy support behind Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his 2023 ambition. Una don't see am so to the extent right now as this all on the fly for the hair. Now so Mr. Ibu come out, he can't let us know wetin they play. I go soon play the video for now. Because according to Mr. Ibu, he let us know say he go create time for him busy schedule, come make video on this rumor just speculate the internet. But meanwhile, he drops small note for here where he can't just explain small thing. According to Rami right and say, tell your friend to tag your friends. Good morning, Nigerians. My attention has been called out by my sister in a video of me saying I'm supporting someone for an election, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I'm not a politician. On that video was a visit. I was invited to without knowing the ulterior motive by looking for people like me to support politicians or to do campaign for them. I'm still not even supporting anyone in the upcoming 2023 general election. You all know how I've loved and support Atiku Abubakar during the 2019 general election, which I still to do till date. Please, I will definitely do a video to post on my other Instagram page at Real Mr. Ibu on my free time. Nigerian peace is more important than supporting a political party. I know be politician and I know they support anyone. So guys, right now I go let una still listen to the other side of this popular Yoruba Nollywood actress, and I'll still play the video where just speculates the internet about our Nollywood actor and some of his colleagues where they deal with all these politicians where a lot of Nigerians they can't provoke, they talk and say that they highly disappointed, especially Mr. Ibu. But before I go let una watch the videos, I beg, if una never subscribe to my channel, make una help me press that red button where say subscribe. Make una help me press the bell. I go see and I give my next update. From it to you guys, I say bye-bye. Watch the clip.
Good evening, everyone. I've been receiving a lot of insults and horrific comments on my page. What we went to do, maybe I need to set some records straight. What we went to do yesterday was nothing to do with politics. We are in a group that is advocating for peace and unity in Nigeria. Though I'm a card-carrying member of APC, but we did not go in the capacity of endorsing Asiwaju for president. And we did not, it was not a Nollywood thing. If people had seen the people that were there, you had some Nollywood people there, but it was not about Nollywood. So I don't know where this is coming from. And I was not paid in any way for this. It was meant to be a unity and peace campaign. Nothing more, nothing less. Please don't let us get it twisted. It is not about anything to do with the impression people are having. It doesn't have anything to do with politics. It does not have anything to do with Nollywood. It was a group that we organized for peace and unity in Nigeria. Please, let's be guided. I beg you.
May God keep keeping you. This man gave us language yesterday, and for those of us who understand the language, we have come here to listen. Or there's something else we did now, and we acknowledge it. So the reasons for which we came here.
I don't hustle. I don't work out tire. I don't suffer defeat, searching for a better life and waiting man go eat. We see the struggle, we smile, and they hustle for sure. But only God knows the truth, and the men will go blow. They say I'm old, but I'm bold. They say I'm old, but I'm bold. And if truth be told, my energy is divine, my lyrics so refined, so defined. I'm not Martin Luther, but I'm king, and I have a dream. One day I'll make the whole world. One day I will rule Nigeria. Amen. Thank you so much, man. We appreciate you guys.
Thank you. Well, you know the festival, you never promoted this year. No, you know.
Okay, me.
My name's John Ikechukwoka. We've been talking about calling. It's another God-sent day for me. I have completed 61 years. Jesus. I can't believe this. Are you serious? My mother died at 90 years, 91 almost. And I said I was going to go 100 years. It is by God's power, not my any man. I don't know what's going to happen when I get to 100 years, but I know that I want to leave a history in this country. I want to leave a history in this country. Before that, all Nigerians, anybody that sees me, I wish you good age, ripe age. I wish you good luck for any business you're doing. I wish you good friends, wonderful friends that will be material to your person as you live. Oh my God, my name remains who I am, John Ikechukwoka. Even Mike.